So I went makeup shopping yesterday and I'm always on the hunt for new nude lip combos. So I got this new one, so we're gonna test it out together. So the lip liner, this is like one of my favorites. I just needed a restock. It is the MAC Cork lip liner. I love having a fresh new pencil. It just glides on so good. So this is the lipstick I got. It retailed for 40 bucks. It is the Forever Liquid Transfer Proof Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Forever Nude, and it's supposed to be 12-hour wear. Look how adorable the packaging is. And let's see, it's this type of applicator. So that's the color. So let's apply it. My lips were so dry and it just is so hydrating. I love this color. So this is how the lip color dried down. I think it is so pretty. It feels very weightless, but let's see if it is transfer proof. Oh my God.